You can use Scratch to make music, create a song, make a beat, or anything else you can imagine. To get started, pick a sprite. I'll pick the saxophone. Now let's make it interactive. I'll make the saxophone play a sound when I click it. Click the green arrow to see this code again and explore what else you might add to your project.